Accused of kidnapping and killing a 25-year-old woman in Jackson County, set to appear in court tomorrow morning. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Kelly.
I'm Donna Terrell. Quake Lewellyn is charged with capital murder in the death of Sydney Sutherland and has pleaded not guilty. Claire Kreitz has more on what to expect at the hearing.
Did you kill Sydney Sutherland?
In just hours, Quake Lewellyn is set to be back in a courtroom again as the clock ticks down to his trial. Llewellyn's attorneys filed 48 motions back in May, from the trial itself, jury selection, evidence, and even down to what can be worn by people watching the trial. It comes after the prosecutor said he's pursuing the death penalty. About a dozen of the 48 motions deal with the death penalty, from how the jury could be selected to the victim impact statements. There's also several motions asking the judge to throw the death penalty out altogether. The defense team also asking for a change of venue. In the motion, Llewellyn claims the minds of the inhabitants of Jackson County are so prejudiced against him that a fair and impartial trial cannot be held in Jackson County. It also points out several memorials that have been held in honor of Sutherland, like the overpass renamed after her, a billboard with the hashtag Justice for Sydney, and yard signs all over town. Llewellyn's attorneys are asking for access to his truck so a defense expert could test drive it, where deputies say Sutherland was last seen. County Road 41. Sydney's family telling us earlier this year they'll fight for justice, but now that could be delayed.
I want to be her voice, also to find a way to protect people in the future from what she went through.
The defense now asking for a judge to push the entire trial until next year.
Court records show the hearing tomorrow will likely be on changing the trial's location. The judge is scheduled to take up the other motions in October. We will have complete coverage of tomorrow's hearing for you on air and online.